That smells good. BLTs for lunch. All right. Doesn't that soundtrack suck? I have really got to do something about that. As I get a little bit better at doing these and a little more relaxed doing these, I'll improve the quality as we come along. Anyhow, things that we have to do next is I've got to get the septic system and field in, and I've been contemplating bringing a backhoe in from Denver, but I was looking at Harbor Freight and looked at a couple of videos, and I saw they had a mini excavator on sale to the end of the month for like $2,500, and it'll certainly do the job, albeit a little bit slow. But hell, I'm semi-retired. What the hell? I've got the time. If it takes me a couple days longer, it takes me a couple days longer. And it sure beats hauling a 18,000-pound backhoe 4.5 hours down here and 4.5 hours back home. So anyhow, that's what we do have to look forward to. What else? I've got to put the roof on this little storage building, shower room that we've just done, that composting toilet thing, and I'll run you inside here and just show you what we've got right now. It's a beautiful day. Alrighty, so we put the seats down for where the toilet system is going. There's a couple of the barrels that are going to be going underneath there. There's going to be a tight seal between the lid here and the barrels and the toilet seats to keep any odors from coming through, and I'll have some negative air pressure exiting the roof from that system there, so you don't have a odor problem in the rest of this this room when we're done. This is kind of a combination storage room, bathroom, and shower, washer. I'll have a RV hot water heater mounted up there on the wall. Next week is going to be the roof. I think I'm trying to decide this week whether I put a flat roof with a EPDM roof, rubber roof over the top of it, or I just go with a gable roof and a metal roof. I'm kind of leaning towards the metal roof right now, but that could change by next week. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe.